Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. I was inspired to make this Technique Tuesday because I was thinking about the last job I held before I retired 5 years ago at the age of 62. Now, that job was with Chipotle. And at Chipotle, I was in charge of morning prep. For the morning prep, I was in charge of washing all the vegetables, cutting and prepping all the vegetables for the dishes that would be made later that day. For me, my favorite part was making the guacamole, and I made it a mean guacamole. Well, come with me. Let's go into the kitchen and see if I can come as close as I did or better than I did when I made the guac at Chipotle. Come with me. Come on. Let's get to the kitchen. My angels, I forgot to mention that I'll also be making, besides the guacamole, I'll be making some tomato salsa, which we also know is just Pico de Gallo. And I'll be making some chips from scratch as well. All right, let's get back to the kitchen. If you find there's some space on top of the guacamole in the container before you put the lid on, just place some plastic wrap flat against the guacamole so it will not turn brown before you put the lid on. look at those chips. Take a look at that guac. Beautiful, nice and crispy chips, and the guac, oh, heavenly. Hey, if you've worked at Chipotle, let me know how well you think I came close to making the guacamole the way we made it at Chipotle. And also those chips, oh, look at how crispy they are. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. So how do you like this recipe? How do you like this video? If you truly like it, please give me a like. You know that's going to be a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed and you'd like to see more of these. And if you are one of my subscribers, please make sure your notifications are turned on so you'll be able to be notified when I have any new uploads. As always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I will see you next time.